Hello from the Swan and Dolphin. We are staring at the swan tonight. There's a little fountain out front. There's the swan on the top. You can see the ocean painted on the side there too. Going in, we'll have a much better view of the outside tomorrow when it's daylight, because we're getting here pretty late. Well, I mean, it's evening time. All right, let's go on in because it is cold outside. All right, we have made it to the check-in counter. There's a Disney store over there. We'll have to be checking that out later on. So, for right now, we're gonna go find our room. There's these beautiful swans. Told us to go down to the east elevators. And yeah, they gave the kids some coloring books and some crayons. Super fun. So the walls here are really cool. They have like seashells painted. Not seashells, but coral? There we go. Seashells. I'm trying to say that rhyme. She sells seashells by the seashore. Yeah, it has the same pattern on the carpet. Yeah. Gotta go find our room on the 6th floor. All right, so we are now in our room. I'm gonna give you a quick tour around our room here on the 6th floor at the Swan Hotel here. It's very close to Epcot and Hollywood Studios at Disney. And one thing that we found out, because Disney has announced a lot of things lately, and they announced that parking is going to be free, like for the hotel guests at the resorts. I don't remember if they announced when that exactly is going to be starting, but this is the Swan and Dolphin Hotel. They also have the Swan Reserve Hotel that we have stayed at, and we do have a video about that if you would like to check that out. But they are actually Marriott owned, and so not actually owned and operated by Disney, even though they're right here, super close. It's right there, boardwalk. We saw it out our window. So parking is not going to be free at this hotel, and I think I saw a sign that it said $32, I believe. So not included, just so that you know. This hotel is owned by Marriott, and so if you have a Marriott card like we do, you can have points and earn enough points to have a free hotel stay at these really nice hotels. So let's go ahead and get to our room tour. Okay, so as soon as you walk in, this is our carpet. It's blue with some lines going through it. Right here to the left, you have this little vanity here for the restroom, a sink, some towels, soap, and this mirror is beautiful. It's lighted. I love that. And it has I don't know. I just think it's a really good area that you can get ready at right here. They also have this mirror here, hello, that swivels so that you can put makeup on as well. And it goes right up against the wall, so that's fantastic. And then if you look at the types of soaps that they have, oh yeah, Walt Disney Swan. This is lotion right here, white tea aloe, as well as a bar right here, white aloe extract, white tea bar soap right there. So not H2O. They have a full-length mirror here on the front of the door so that you can see your whole outfit as you get ready for the day. Some blue artwork. Oh, another sink over here that is also backlit. So I'm not sure that it's really showing up very well on the camera, but I love it. I love it. Like, you can have two people getting ready at the same time, fixing their hair, putting on makeup, brushing their teeth, everything that they need to do, get ready in the morning. So they have towels and washcloths. They have some cups in here as well. Some towels and things down here below. And let's take a peek at the shower here. Okay, so a hook over here. They do have this type of shower head in here, as well as a handheld one. And Okay, so they have the North 39 brand shampoo, body wash, and conditioner in here as well. Kind of echoing in here. All right. They do have a closet space here. All right. Oh, okay. So they have a robe here. They have an iron, some extra pillows, blow dryer, things like that, a safe. There's an ironing board back here as well. All right, we get back into our main bedroom here. We put all of our stuff right there. So they do have a door if you have adjoining rooms with someone else. 2 large beds. That's Owen's Finley. That's what he calls his stuffed animal there. So we have some more blue pictures along here. Oh yeah, we have some ice buckets. We have water cups over here. We have an alarm clock, plugs, a regular phone. Over here, looking on the other side of the bed, we got a chair. And that is our view. I'll show it in a minute. We have a table here that you can do some work if you would like to. I actually thought very briefly about taking some papers here to grade. I had some papers that I needed to grade this weekend, but then I was like, you know what? They'll still be there when I get home. So I did not bring the papers to grade. All right, so vacation time, staycation time. So you don't need to be grading papers while on staycation. So I didn't bring them. I left them at home. And over here by the TV, they do have a coffee pot, some Starbucks over here, a little bit of coffee creamer, some tea, tissues. We did get some chocolates from the front desk for being members for the Marriott. All right, so let's see what's in here. Yep, we have a little mini fridge. Okay, there's some water in there already getting cold for us. Ooh, we have some drawers. Yeah, soft clothes there. There's a Bible, Swan and Dolphin, safe and secure stuff. All right. Are you ready for the view? It's pretty nice. It is dark, so we'll show it again during the daytime, but it's pretty nice. Okay, so it overlooks, get the curtains here, get the other side. It's like full over here. We don't have a balcony. We did not get a room with a balcony on it, but it's still a pretty good view, if you ask me. All right, let's take a peek. Seeing is the reflection. I might have to get behind the curtain. I do that. Let me see. Let me see if I can MacGyver my way. There we go. Get behind the curtain to make it a little bit easier to see that. You see that beautiful building right there? Yes, that is the Hollywood Tower of Terror. Look at that. That is beautiful. We're so close. Amazing. And then you can see Star Wars a little bit over here as well. Awesome. So right over there, Hollywood Studios, amazingly close, within walking distance over here to that direction. So many fun things that we can see over here as well. Yes, over here. Oh, look, minivan. It's a little bit blurry, but that was a minivan that drove under there just now. Beautiful. Yes. And it is cold right now. Very cold. It's like 50 or so. Made it down to the store. Have these soap dispensers that make a Mickey on your hand. Look at this though. It's a Rubik's Cube. A Disney Rubik's Cube. That's pretty cool. How much is this? $20. Aw, it's the Up movie. It's cute. Look at that. I like this though. Oh my gosh, that's so soft. I love this. Wow. $89.99. It's Mickey, Minnie, the Goof, and Daisy. Is anything on the back? Yes. Donald. Pluto at the top there. Okay. I think that's cute. I like that. I would wear that. Oh, look at that. Fun games. Yes, Uno and puzzle. That's a big puzzle. Yes. Oh. Autograph books. Clue. Be fun. Some hoodies so it is cold outside. Ears. These are fun. I like denim. I like that. It's a popcorn bucket keychain. Yeah, you do. Uh-huh.
Wait, it's not the same thing because you usually go back and
Yeah, usually, yeah. Yeah, you can pull yours back and it goes.
it still does it.
Oh, okay. Swimming stuff. Pins. What's this? Mystery one. That is cute. I like that one. Oh. I like that. Ooh. Sparkly. This is cute. Oh, happily ever after ears over here. Look at this. This is cute. Is that a cup? Oh. I don't know. Pinocchio. These are cute. Oh, they're so lightweight too. Disney 100. That is nice. They're not soft like material. It's like, I don't know what it is, but it's very lightweight and they're mushy. Ooh, look at these. Yeah. Oh, look at that. Cute. All the Disney 100 stuff is purple. Grape cotton candy. Nadi had some orange cotton candy the other day.
It's not the 100 yet.
I know. Well, Disney, the Disney company is celebrating 100 years. Time to head on out of the store. Yeah, Owen was looking at that too, the Uno game. And we're going to walk over to, or maybe rent the boat. It's a little cold. But we're going to go over to Hollywood Studios. Not for very long because it closes at 9 o'clock. And it's almost 8. Right, that's it. Change of plans. We did wait on the boat for a little bit, but still is not there. And it's like 8:15. Park closes at 9. So we're like, you know what? We're just going to walk around these beautiful resorts and go to the parks tomorrow. So tomorrow we have reservations for Magic Kingdom, I believe. So we'll go there tomorrow. Yeah, and there's the boat that's coming finally, but we're like, you know what? Yeah, there's the Epica Ball. We're just gonna go on in here and get a treat. Get some dessert. All right. Get out of the cold too. Good morning from the Swan Hotel at Disney. Today we are going to go over to Shades of Green and eat breakfast today. So we're not actually going to eat here. I'll probably make that a separate video. But we didn't actually go to a park last night. We just kind of hung out here and took showers and went to bed so we can have some well-rested sleep. And then today we are going to go to Magic Kingdom and ride the train. We still haven't ridden the train. We're so excited to do that. We're gonna ride all the way around the park today. And I wanted to give you a look outside of our window now that it is daytime. So come on. Nadia's over here coloring at the desk here with her coloring book that they gave us downstairs. There's some different restaurants here and some fun facts about the hotel. So here is our look out. We have the swan fountain in the front and the Skyliner over in the distance. Over here, you can see the Hollywood Tower of Terror. So that is amazing. We're not going to Hollywood Studios today, though. Like I said, we're going to go to Magic Kingdom. We are going to drive over there. All right, now we're out front of the Swan Reserve. Here's the fountain they have. There's where you drive through, checking in, and in the front. And in that little coloring book that they got, it was really neat. They gave some information. These swan statues are 5 stories tall. That's amazing. And the dolphins over at the Dolphin Hotel are 6 stories tall. I thought that was interesting. Did not swim. It was way too cold to swim in the pools. But we have swam in the pools before. So we'll leave a link to those videos in the corner here. All right, on to breakfast.